Vanakkam friends, welcome to our views of Nifty and Bank Nifty for next week segment. I thought of explaining you about the upcoming views only because I hate doing the post-mortem report of what it has been happened during last week. So henceforth we will discuss what we can expect in the upcoming week rather than wasting time in what happened during the previous week. Okay, let's go into Nifty charts now. This is the Nifty charts. It is the daily time frame chart. Over here there is a gap created, small gap. If you see here, a small gap which has been created on Friday, and along with that this trend line support is holding in Nifty on daily charts as well. Okay, so if even in Singapore Nifty close also, we have seen a 100-point gap up opening for Monday. So I expect Nifty to turn from here and test this first trend line, horizontal line first, which is 17,784. If and only 17,784 is crossed, we can expect a new high in next week, or else it will be a consolidation kind of stuff. Now for this I will explain you in a hourly time frame also. I'm sorry, yeah, chart has been changed now. So this is the hourly time frame. If why I am saying that 17,784 is very important is it is like inverse head and shoulder pattern for me. See, this will be one shoulder, this will be the head if it goes and touches here, and then it will come down, probably will test this particular trend line and move again on the higher side. If this is going to be a inverse head and shoulder pattern, this kind of movement will occur in next maybe 5 or 8 to 10 days time frame. So that is the reason I am giving 17,784 as resistance levels. And on the downside, until Nifty holds this particular area 17,326, the horizontal line which I have mentioned here, okay, until this line holds, we need not worry about whether there will be a further fall or not. So according to me, this level will definitely hold for the next week, and the trend line support will also be respected, and it will move on the higher side only. Now we will move into the Bank Nifty part. Bank Nifty, same kind of situation has happened, same minor gap is created, and the additional point here is this particular red line is the 20 SMA. It has broken the 20 SMA on Friday, but it managed to close exactly or little above the 20 SMA, which is a reversal signal kind of stuff. So probably if Nifty is going to open with a gap up of 100 to 130 points tomorrow, definitely Bank Nifty will open with a gap up of at least 250 to 300 points. But still, few of the private sector banks individual charts are not looking good. So the up move should be supported by the private sector banks. Only then we will see a quick up move. If the PSU sector banks are moving, then we will not see a very big up move because of their weightage in Bank Nifty. I have already explained several times about the weightage of private sector banks in Bank Nifty. We have more than 60 to 70% of the weightage of Bank Nifty is comprised of the private sector banks. So their weightage will be little high and the movement also will be very quick when it comes to Bank Nifty. So for this, I will change it to the 1 hour time frame so that you can view the support and resistance levels very clearly. The support will be 36,889. If you observe very closely, this is the one bottom and this is another bottom. It is also a double bottom kind of formation. So the bounce towards 37,933 is not ruled out within next week. 100% sure. It will definitely touch 37,933. Whether it crosses that particular level or not is a different story. But if it crosses, definitely a new all-time high is possible. And for this week, I am going to give you all a unlock favorite, like what we have done in PVR in last month. Bata. Finally, schools are set to open across India in all major cities, even for the smaller classes. Earlier, the classes, higher classes only were open, and now the smaller classes also are set to open from November. In Tamil Nadu, it is from 1st November. So across India, maybe in second half of October, schools will start opening. So I expect Bata to have a tremendous up move. The stock already rallied 3% on Friday, but I feel that there will be some marginal consolidation or a small fall towards 1800 levels, 1800 in the upcoming week. If you see 1800 to 1810 levels in Bata spot price, catch hold of the 1900 call, whatever the price you see at that time. I am expecting a minimum of 10% move from 1800. 10% from 1800 is 1980. In that case, your target will be 80. Okay. If you see any close below 1799 for 2 continuous days, then exit your position, or else stay tight with your position throughout the month. Definitely it will show you 80 at one stage, but don't ever go and buy tomorrow morning at 55 rupees. Wait for my levels and then execute your trade. You all very well know about my levels. 90 to 95% of the times, without showing my level, the stock or index will definitely not move. I have explained this to you several times in my Telegram channel through my communications. This is the first time I am exposing it in my YouTube video. So hope I made everything clear for you. Let us see how it progresses during next week and the upcoming month as well. If you are a newcomer to our YouTube channel, subscribe and stay tuned within our channel. You will see definitely good videos in upcoming days as promised. Also, I will give the Telegram channel link in the description of this video. You can join our channel for our daily calls and updates regarding markets. Thank you all. Bye. Have a good day.